So obviously the mobile devices and tablets are incredibly powerful, ubiquitous sensors and effectors that we can use as kind of the vector for that touch point between the healthcare system and the patient. So now kind of figuring out how do we take this notion of healthcare delivery that we've been stuck with for decades and decades and evolve it to a world in which we have these ubiquitous devices. So the challenges are going to be sort of reconceiving treatment. And so I was talking with someone earlier today about the kind of paradigm, the early the preview, I guess, of what this is going to look like is some of the home care devices for senior care. So if you want to get these like very high frequency measurements of a patient that's then actually available to the clinician, it seems to be some of the devices that are being put into the homes of seniors might be the kinds of things that are a preview of what we'd all have someday in the future. So yeah, I think that the hard part is going to be figuring out, are we headed for a true direct-to-consumer future where people like Nike are actually going to dominate the healthcare sector because they have this direct channel of selling the sensors, and all of a sudden if you start, if you're able to start perturbing behavior via the platform that is the sensor, then perhaps that becomes that usurps the role, a vast majority of the role of the traditional healthcare system? Or is the traditional healthcare delivery system going to evolve to kind of subsume these direct-to-consumer sold devices into how they provision care? And that one, if I had to guess, I mean, there's a reason I'm at Mount Sinai, and I'm not trying to build a direct-to-consumer product. So you kind of, I'm surprisingly, I guess, given my origins, biased more towards the stodgy, heavily regulated industry versus these startup companies. But it's, to be honest, I don't know, right? Like nobody knows. So that, I think, is the real tension of the next 5 to 10 years. It's going to be interesting to watch it play out.